Welcome! In this short and simple video, I'll show how you can very quickly and very efficiently adjust the camera brightness on this DJI Flip FLY MORE. So obviously in the beginning you will need to enter the camera view on your remote controller. Now tap literally anywhere at the viewfinder here, and once this little sun icon appears you can drag it to the bottom, so once again you can drag it to the bottom to reduce the brightness, or all the way to the top to increase it if you would like to brighten your shot up. Well, it didn't sound right. I mean, shot as in camera shot, and well, up, I mean brighten up the shot. My phrasing there was quite well, questionable to say at the very least. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.